Hi, I'm Eva. Look, right now, take your phone, open your banking app, and take a good look at your spending from the last month. Do you see those $6.99 charges, those $12 payments? It's just the price of a coffee expenses you just ignore? Well, you aren't just spending that money, you are literally being robbed on a regular basis every single month. And the worst part? You started this robbery yourself by clicking that confirm button. So, welcome to the modern world's new shackle, subscription slavery. We used to buy things, and they would be ours. We'd put them on our shelves, use them for a lifetime, and keep them until they broke or wore out. But now, we don't truly own anything. We've become temporary tenants at the mercy of giant corporations, turning us into propertyless digital slaves. We take the first big hit with the death of ownership. Think about it. You have those massive playlists on Spotify with thousands of songs, you have your favorite shows on Netflix, and you think they're yours. But in reality, you have absolutely nothing. The moment that card payment fails tomorrow, that entire world evaporates. You aren't paying for music or movies, you're paying a protection fee just for the permission to access that content. The concept of ownership has been replaced by total service dependency. The second big trouble is decision fatigue and the forgetfulness tax. You probably have 10 different platforms installed on your phone, and you pay for every single one of them. But when you come home exhausted from work, you spend half an hour scrolling through menus wondering, what should I watch, only to pass out without watching anything. Those giant companies know this all too well. They build billion-dollar empires on your hope of maybe I'll watch it one day and on you being too lost in the hustle of life to remember to cancel. Our third point is the famous illusion of micropayments. $10 here, $15 there, $5 for that app feature. By the end of the month, those small amounts add up to be the installment for that dream vacation, the cost of those high-quality shoes you wanted, or the very seed money you could have put into your investment account. But we keep fooling ourselves into thinking it's just pocket change. The fourth and most dangerous one is software and hardware blackmail. It's not just entertainment anymore. The design program you use for work, the app you write in, even the heated seats in some new generation cars now work on a subscription basis. This means you have to pay a monthly fee just to use the features of a product you already paid for. You're literally living as a tenant inside your own property. The fifth and final slap is the inflationary subscription cycle. Have you noticed? Companies constantly hike prices, saying content costs went up or server expenses increased, but the joy you get from that service doesn't increase. In fact, while the content gets worse, you just have to spend more of your hard-earned life force on the same mediocrity. This is your sweat and blood flowing directly into the pockets of big tech barons. So, what are we going to do? How do we break this chain? The solution is a very clear digital cleanup. As soon as you finish this video, get your bank statement in front of you. Take all those zombie subscriptions that you haven't used properly in the last 3 months and cancel them without any mercy or hesitation. Believe me, the world won't stop spinning, but your wallet will finally breathe. Don't rent what you need, if possible, insist on buying it with a one-time license. Turn toward physical ownership instead of digital, get that real book, that real vinyl record. Because no one can wake up one morning and take a book off your shelf by saying your license agreement has ended. Be the master of your own budget, not a slave to ads and algorithms. Remember that feeling of security that comes with true ownership, because a life where something is constantly being stripped away from you every month is not a life you are leading freely. If you're going to break at least one unnecessary subscription chain today, come to the comments and write "I broke the chain" so we can see how many of us there are. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.